Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. It's a happy occasion. Thank you. Thank you for being here as we work for the full repeal of Connecticut's business entity tax for limited liability companies, limited liability partnerships, and other pass-through entities. This effort will succeed if the state legislature enacts two bills we are supporting. They are SB 400 and SB 28. Everybody is aware of them. I'm not going to explain them. The business entity tax was implemented in 2002 to supposedly close a revenue gap in the state budget. 120,000 companies are subject to this $250 annual fee. This charge generates approximately $35 million a year in revenue in the state coffers. If those bills pass that we are presenting, they will create more jobs, encourage more business investment, and stimulate the economy because the money will be put back into the economy rather than going to the state. Connecticut small businesses are extremely vulnerable to market forces and increases in the cost of living. They must struggle daily under these conditions to meet both customer demand and employee payroll. The business entity tax sends the wrong message to Connecticut small businesses. I am speaking today not only as a legislator, but also as a manufacturer. Over the past 10 years, my company has lost 17 customers, 17 companies whom we supplied products and services. They either moved out of Connecticut or ceased operations altogether. Combined, these manufacturing firms employed more than 5,000 people, highly skilled, highly paid, and highly qualified. Imagine the impact such losses have on their families and on our economy. With all the agony caused by the state that is so unfriendly to business, we have the opportunity to pass this legislation that will rectify a practice that certainly serves no significant purpose other than to chase companies away from our state. And I would like to list some of those companies that we lost over the past 10 years, companies that I did business with. Duracell in Waterbury, Duracell in Bethel, Dematron in Danbury, Novametrics in Wallingford, Airpax VDO in Cheshire, Philips Technology in Cheshire, Helpmate Robotics in Danbury, Magnatech in North Haven, Tyco, which was a small business American electric company in Waterbury, Waterbury Headers, small company in Waterbury, Landreth Engineering in Waterbury, All in Brass in Waterbury, Animat in Waterbury, Lewis Engineering in Naugatuck, Fabricated Metal Products in Naugatuck, OC Islet in Watertown, G-Tech in Oxford. All of those companies moved out of Connecticut or ceased to operate because of the unfriendly atmosphere that we have here in Connecticut. Therefore, I am asking you to support this effort to send Connecticut's small businesses the message, loud and clear, that they are valued and we want them to be here. And we want the one-man operation, the guy who cuts lawns, to grow in Connecticut and to prosper and to hire more people. And $250 mean a lot to that person. More importantly though, I urge you, I ask you to tell your constituents, your employees, the people who work with you and for you, to call their legislators and urge them to pass these two bills. Thank you very much and God bless you all.